Hey, my friend. Welcome back to Fluent with Looki. I'm really happy you're here today because what I'm about to share with you might completely change how you learn English. Now, tell me honestly, have you ever spent hours memorizing grammar rules, but when it's time to speak, your brain just stops? You freeze. Your brain just stops. You freeze. Your brain just stops. You freeze. You panic. You feel like you know English, but you just can't say it. You're not alone. I've seen this happen to thousands of learners, and I want to give you something today. Freedom. Yes, freedom from grammar rules, freedom from fear, and most importantly, freedom to speak English confidently. Today, I'm going to show you the fastest way to improve your English speaking, and guess what? You don't need grammar to start. So don't skip. Watch till the end. I promise you, you'll feel confident answering this question anywhere. And yes, if the video is useful to you, be sure to subscribe to the channel because we are constantly updating our videos to make your English learning journey easier. So get comfortable, take a deep breath, and let's have a real conversation. Let me tell you a story. There was once a learner who knew hundreds of grammar rules. She could correct English on paper. But when someone asked, "How are you today?" she'd freeze. Why? Because speaking is not a grammar exam. It's a skill. And skills need practice, not perfection. So here's the truth. You can speak beautiful, clear, and natural English without needing grammar at first. You just need the right method. Let's dive in. 1. Why grammar is slowing you down. Now, listen, I'm not saying grammar is bad. It has a place. It helps in writing, in understanding structure, sure. But if your goal is to speak fluently, then grammar rules can become a cage. Why? Because when you speak, your brain has only seconds to react. There's no time to think, wait, is this present perfect? Or should I use past simple? That delay, that hesitation, kills fluency. You're not speaking freely. You're solving a puzzle in real time. And that's exhausting. Now, think of a child learning to speak. Do they start with grammar books? No. They start by listening, copying, and repeating. And it works. We need to go back to that natural way. 2. The fastest way to improve speaking. So what's the secret? What's the fastest way? Here it is, and listen closely. Think in English, speak in chunks, repeat like a child. That's it. 3 simple steps, and they work. Let's go deeper into each one. Step 1. Think in English, not your language. Most learners make the same mistake. They think in their native language, then translate into English, then speak. It's slow, it's stressful, it's not fluency. So I want you to start small. Look at your phone and say, "This is my phone." Drink water and say, "I'm drinking water." Feel tired? And say, "I'm tired." Describe your world in English, even if it's basic. You're not writing poetry, you're building reflexes. Do it in your head. Say it out loud. Do it daily. The more you think in English, the less you'll need translation. And one day, your brain will switch. You'll think directly in English, and that's fluency. 2. Speak in chunks, not just words. Now, let me share something powerful. Native speakers don't build sentences word by word. They use chunks, groups of words that come together naturally. For example, how's it going? Can I get a... I'm not sure. That sounds good. Let me think. These are like ready-made pieces of the language. You don't need to create. You just use them. It's faster, easier, and more natural. So stop memorizing word lists. Start learning phrases you can actually use. Build your own phrase collection. Use them in daily conversations or even when talking to yourself. This is fluency without stress. Number 3, repeat like a child, the shadowing technique. Now comes my favorite part, the shadowing technique. It's simple and it works like magic. Here's what you do. Choose a short video clip, a movie line, a YouTube conversation, a podcast, whatever you enjoy. Play 5 to 10 seconds, pause, repeat the same line, copy the tone, the rhythm, the emotion. It's not about perfect grammar. It's about training your mouth and brain to speak English like a native. This is exactly how babies learn. They copy, they play, they experiment. Do this 10 minutes every day. No grammar, no pressure, just rhythm and sound. You'll be amazed at how fast your confidence grows. 3. Real examples for everyday speaking. Let me show you how this works in real life. Instead of this, I am going to commence eating my meal. Just say, I'm going to eat. Or this, I would like to inform you that I have completed the task. I finished it. Speak how people speak. Simple, direct, friendly. You're not writing an academic paper. You're living life. And life needs real English. 4. Talk to yourself. Yes, really. Now, here's a tip that sounds silly, but it's actually genius. Talk to yourself out loud every day. Yes, I'm serious. Describe your actions. I'm making coffee. I need to charge my phone. I'm going to bed. This is like practicing in a safe space. No judgment, no mistakes, just you and English. Over time, your brain gets used to speaking, and soon, when you're in front of other people, it won't feel scary anymore. And 5, practice without fear of mistakes. And now, let me tell you something I wish every learner knew. You do not need to speak perfectly. You just need to be understood. You just need to speak with confidence. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are how we grow. Every fluent speaker, including me, made hundreds of mistakes before becoming confident. Fluency isn't about never getting it wrong. It's about never giving up. Speak, practice, laugh at your mistakes, learn, keep going. Build your personal phrase book. Before I go, here's a fun exercise for you. Start building your own personal phrase book. Don't write down difficult grammar rules. Instead, write sentences you would actually say in daily life. I usually wake up at 7. I like spicy food. I don't understand this part. Can you repeat, please? Practice these every day. Say them out loud. Say them to a friend. Say them to the mirror. because these are your phrases, your life, your English. You've got this. So, my friend, if you remember nothing else from this video, just remember this. You don't need grammar to start speaking. You just need courage, consistency, and connection. Start thinking in English, start speaking in chunks, start shadowing like a child. The results? You'll feel them fast, not in years, in weeks. And I'll be right here with you every step of the way. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, leave a like and tell me in the comments what's one phrase you're going to practice today. Don't forget to subscribe to Fluent with Looki for more English learning with heart, humor, and no pressure. See you next time, and remember, speak more, fear less. You've got this.